Oh hey, what's up guys? Don't click away. I'm going to show you guys how we repaired a front glass screen on a Samsung Galaxy S9 without taking the phone apart. Hey, what's up everyone? Happy holidays. I'm Javier with MrPhoneDoctor.com, and thank you all so much for tuning in on this episode. If this is your first time here and you guys enjoy things all repair and tech related, I am going to continue doing repairs on all the different Galaxies that are out. So make sure you guys hit subscribe and smack that bell so you're notified on our latest videos. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and our other social media platforms found below. We're going to be posting some really cool behind the scene reels that you don't want to miss out on. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or simply would like to get in contact with us, feel free to comment down below or reach us at www.mrphonedoctor.com. All right, in case you guys didn't know, I'm actually going to be stepping out of the office next month. I will be attending CES in Las Vegas. So if there's anyone going to be out there, feel free to hit me up. I would love to link up and get to know you guys. All right, now that we got all that out of the way, what's up guys? Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching this episode. So today what we're going to work on is a Samsung Galaxy S9 with the cracked front screen. This is going to be our in-frame series where we do not disassemble the phone. In case you have not seen our other Samsung Galaxy in-frame series, I'm going to go ahead and go over what we're going to be doing today. We are simply going to be removing the broken layer of glass and replacing it with another layer of glass without taking the phone apart. Now, why do we want to do it this way? This actually allows us to keep all the Samsung OEM glues intact, which gives the phone a more solid and closed feel. Now don't get me wrong guys, our other method of disassembling the entire phone and reassembling is still a great procedure. It's just that now we're going to be able to keep the OEM glues intact. And I know we've been getting a lot of questions as far as what liquid we're using, what temperatures, what tools, etc, etc. I do want to let you guys know that next year we're going to be launching an online video series which will go over training and procedures and pretty much everything that we do here on hand. So for those of you guys that do want to start this, make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to be offering these courses to you guys very, very soon. All right, so that's enough talking for today. Let's step back into the lab and let's get this sucker dissected. So let's go and dig into the phone. You guys know this procedure by now. And if you don't, welcome to my channel, guys. I appreciate you guys checking it out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to go ahead and want to do a test on the device. But there you are. Touch and everything is fully working. So we can go ahead and begin on the first step and remove the glass from the device. Alright, the phone is nice and toasty. Let's go ahead and dig in. Alright guys, sorry about that. My memory card got full. I do apologize. So I didn't get to catch the last little segment that I did, but I think you guys get the hint. You guys have seen many of these videos. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the glass. Caliente. There she is, and she just sent us a notification. Oh, unable to open app, it's overheating. But oh, cool thing is this guy has his little fingerprint sensor notification dot on his wallpaper. So you can see that everything's working. Alright, there we have her. So our next step is going to go ahead and be to clean the glue off. And then we'll move over to the laminating station and apply the new Gorilla Glass.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is up to be my lady only.
Alright, so once again we're going to go in and test the touch. So there you are. Touch is good. You know what I do notice is that I did slightly clip the polarizer right here. The good thing is it's on the corner, so the glass is going to cover it. But that was a close call. Good thing that when I noticed it feeling really rough, I backed out of it. And then I went back with the card to clear it out. Yeah, luckily I did that. Otherwise, we would have came in through here, still been under the polarizer, and we would have had a polarized clipped all along here. So good catch on my end. Almost had a boo-boo. So here we are. It's ready. I'm going to go ahead and put in the gaskets that we apply in for the flex and for the battery. Once I get those in, we'll go ahead and move over to the laminating station. So I really hope you guys are liking these videos, guys. If you are, once again, please subscribe, share it. And if you need a screen repair, of course, guys, let us know. All right, guys, we are back at the final 2 steps on repairing the cracked front screen on a Samsung Galaxy S9 in the frame method without taking the phone apart. So as you guys know, if you've seen our videos before, we do want to make sure that we laminate the OCA onto the glass first. Once we have that laminated, we'll go ahead and laminate the OCA glass onto the device. So let's go ahead and get the glass and the OCA sandwiched together.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is out to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn.
All right, let's squash it, and I'll come right back in a few as soon as it's done. Meanwhile, this is squashing. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this and get this ready. I'm actually forgetting a couple pieces. I gotta get the frame tape, and then we're gonna replace the speaker mesh so it has a nice clean finish. All right, let's do the reveal. One of my favorite parts. I have a lot of favorite parts. I like, you know, seeing the finished product after we laminate the display. It's really cool how the whole process, you know, creates this final finish. You know, it's just really cool. I really enjoyed the technology. And this is beautiful. So we're done with these molds. We're gonna go in and grab the in-frame molds and squash. If I can find them. Usually we have all our stuff in bins. With all these new molds that we've been getting lately, I haven't had time to organize and put everything in bins. So just give me a few minutes while I look for this, all right? Nope, 9, nope. S10 Plus, nope. By the way, S8, S9, they work together, so it's nice. You don't have to buy another one. We just recently got the Note 10 molds in, so that's going to be a repair you guys are definitely going to want to see once we get a device in. We just need a phone. If you guys got a phone, send it to us. We'll make a video. Oof, I got so lucky on that clip polarizer. It's going to cover up just fine. Let me go and show you guys where I clipped that polarizer. If you look right and backwards, right there, you see where it's gold? That's actually the polarizer. So I actually went in with the wire. Good thing I caught it. I didn't force it, so we were able to salvage the AMOLED. Yeah, you never want to force, guys. These things are very delicate. So one key thing is, if you got manos de fierro, make sure that you guys ease up a little bit, tone back, and don't force anything. I was actually really bad about forcing a lot of stuff, and I've gotten better. It just takes practice, guys. Practice makes perfect. This isn't something that's done overnight, all right? We've been doing this for 3+ years.
I'm right.
What?
Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got
Get the pressure right. Once we got the pressure and all our settings accurate, we can squash. So we're gonna squash this. This one takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, we'll come back and reveal to you guys the finished product. All right, the squashing has finished. Let's pull her out. Test the touch. X marks the spot. I think we hit the gold mine on this one. Money. There we have her. So you guys can see all the little bubbles and stuff. Let me get out of here. See all these little guys? All these little guys are gonna disappear. So you guys see them? Yeah, there's a few right here, right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the autoclave for a few minutes. Once that's done, I'll show you guys the final reveal. All right, guys, the autoclave has finished. I'm gonna go pull the phone out, remove all the little tabs that we have in here, and show you guys our finished repair. This is the exciting part. I don't know about you guys, but I really look forward to seeing the finished results. It's amazing. Technology, gotta love it, right? Here we have her, S9 in the frame without taking the phone apart. There she is. Repaired. Let's go back and I'm gonna show you guys how all the bubbles disappeared. See that? Look how beautiful. And there are no waves. That's the best part about it, guys. I cannot stress about how awesome this process is. As I mentioned in my other Note 8 video, is you know, these AMOLEDs are so thin, you know, removing with the card and trying to separate the AMOLED from the frame, it just causes, you know, indentations, and you know, whenever you laminate it back, there's just going to be some waves and everything. So this is a lot more a delicate process, so we're not actually pressing really hard on the back of the AMOLED, causing those little waves to show up. So really, really love this. It's just amazing. Oh yeah, let me also show you guys where I clipped it. I did clip it right up on top right here, but you can see the glass covered it. So we got really, really lucky that the glass had this black border. So good thing I stopped when I felt it, you know, otherwise we would have had a bad AMOLED, and then we would have had to just replace the AMOLED for the customer. But in this case, everything is perfect and flawless. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, share with whoever you know that's interested in this type of repairs. Hopefully soon, you know, I may come up with some other tech videos. I'm a big tech nerd, by the way. Once again, I appreciate your guys' support, and we'll see you guys soon. Cheers.